Acumatica Manufacturing Edition provides the best business management solution for digitally resilient companies. Built for mobile and telenetwork scenarios and easily integrated with the collaboration tools of your choice, Acumatica delivers flexibility, efficiency, and continuity of operations to growing small and mid-market manufacturers. Transform your organization with a modern business management platform designed for discrete and process manufacturers. Acumatica's Manufacturing Edition helps you manage production and job costs with insights into performance. Define bills of material and operations for production and estimates with engineering change control. Maximize resource utilization with finite capacity scheduling and MRP. Balance supply and demand with sales orders, purchasing, and inventory. Streamline data collection with barcodes for warehouse and manufacturing activities that flow into the robust financial suite for analysis and reporting. Acumatica provides a modern experience for every employee. Unlimited user licensing enables collaboration for the factory floor, front office, and mobile employees. Role-based workspaces connect data and processes for operations, management, and shop floor workers. Empower front office R&D staff, schedulers, material planners, and estimators with adaptable applications. Connect remote sales teams and field service technicians with mobile applications, reports, and notifications. Acumatica supports mixed-mode manufacturing for discrete make-to-stock and batch processing on a single platform. Multimodal manufacturing features automate make-to-order environments, including assemble-to-order, configure-to-order, engineer-to-order, and job shops. And project accounting integration provides a modern platform for project-centric manufacturers. Acumatica provides best-in-class functionality for manufacturers in varied industry segments, such as fabricated metal products, industrial machinery and equipment, electronics and electrical equipment, architectural products, instruments and medical devices, food and beverage, home goods and furnishings, and other manufacturing industries. With Acumatica, you have everything you need to manage operations and automate supply chain activities. Streamline engineering, planning, and production processes. Reduce the engineering to manufacturing handoff with flexible bills of material and engineer change control. Create custom BOMs from estimates or with the rules-based product configurator. Optimize inventory with MRP, master production scheduling, rough cut capacity planning, and finite scheduling. And balance supply and demand with sales, purchase, and transfer orders. Manage production orders and monitor shop floor activities with barcoded data collection for real-time insights into WIP for material, labor, and outside processing costs. Acumatica Manufacturing Edition comes with a full suite of financial and business intelligence applications, extending the system with native service management, project accounting, payroll, CRM, e-commerce, and point of sale. Know what's happening across your organization with role-based dashboards. Drive production meetings with live data and drill downs to detailed transactions via flexible generic inquiries. Easily tailor manufacturing reports to monitor production costs and resource utilization with native connections to Microsoft Power BI for advanced manufacturing analytics. Transform your business with tangible benefits for employees, customers, and suppliers. Sell more with embedded CRM, retail apps for showrooms, counter sales, and commerce connectors. Reduce scrap, implement just-in-time strategies, and analyze costs to drive continuous improvement initiatives. Build better products faster with engineering automation and quality control. Exceed expectations with capable to promise and streamlined order management. Capture data faster with barcodes and backflushing. Create tailored workflows and connect equipment and systems. Time phase material requirements and optimize resources for improved throughput. Discover why Acumatica is rated highest in usability and how manufacturers transform their businesses with automation on a mobile, adaptable, and extensible platform.
It's a very simple commitment, just bringing comfort. That's what Portical offers, is a very environmentally friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional air conditioning. Those fans you see on the NFL sidelines.
We did not have a lot of visibility prior to Acumatica. We captured serial numbers, but after we captured them, we had nothing to do with it.
One of the deficiencies that we had with our existing ERP system is just not able to get the reporting in a very timely manner so that it ultimately becomes actionable.
I went to the leadership team and expressed a concern that we're not going to be able to continue our growth with the current system we're on.
With Acumatica, we have that real-time visibility. We didn't have that before, and now it's phenomenal. As soon as that product is produced, it's showing available in inventory. You have to be agile in the market that we're in today, and you've got to be ready to make those decisions based on facts, not on feelings.
We streamlined operations. It's actually reduced our headcount. We grew over 30% since we implemented Acumatica.
We've not shut down production once since we've had Acumatica due to an inventory variance in the system. That used to be common practice.
It's become the heartbeat of our company. It's really the pulse of what runs the business now.
Our business is not going to be successful through chance. It'll be successful through change. And having a robust ERP system that can give us that added flexibility in these unique and very uncertain times is going to help us win in the future.
SAM was started back in 1990 by Sam and Julianne McRae. It remains a family business to this day. We are the UK's leading manufacturer of interior and exterior MDF mouldings. We operate across 2 manufacturing sites, Northern Ireland in Antrim, one in Donington in England.
SAM was expanding into multiple areas, multiple factories, and we had to make a change. At that stage we were using Excel for pretty much everything. We used Sage 950. The software itself wasn't designed for accessing from multiple sites.
The fact that Acumatica was accessible to everybody at home, the business didn't stop because of the pandemic. We had all of our quotations on there. We had all of the tools at our fingertips there to keep going.
From an inventory perspective, it is night and day. Stock take is so much quicker and easier for us. The whole process has just become a lot more streamlined. And then from a customer point of view, we are so much quicker at responding to inquiries, whether it be quotes or whether it be following up on an order.
It can integrate and talk to outside systems as well as the full development inside its own programming. We know that as SAM grows, Acumatica will grow too.
It's bringing everybody together and everyone's talking the same language.
It was one of the better decisions I made in my career, go with Acumatica.
Having Acumatica as a single entity system across multiple sites allows us to keep that family feel of we're all part of one team. We all use the same system and we all feel as connected using that.
AFF Group is a textile manufacturing and distribution company that does 3 types of products: vinyls, foam, and laminated goods, and all primarily in the seating segment. So if you sit on a seat, whether it's an office seat, a golf cart, or a car, that's our type of product. We have almost 500,000 square feet of facility here, and we were hand counting and managing things by a spreadsheet.
There was no such thing as safety stocks. Lead times weren't really discussed or being monitored. What Acumatica did was bring us up to speed and trained us on how to properly run our supply chain.
So we were able to put everything into the system, print out the barcodes, print out the shipping labels. We were able to have an inventory structure.
We've reduced our waste by 25%. We've also increased our production capability by 30% just by knowing when to manufacture what. Dashboards has changed everything. Our sales grew 21% this past year. The reason for that was because we're selling smarter. Before we used to outwork a problem, but now with Acumatica we outthink the problems.
Being able to make the right decisions at the right time really does come down to having the right data, and that's what we have with Acumatica.
It is growing with us, it is adapting to our needs.
We are in an old business, an old industry, textile manufacturing, and we're doing it a new way with partners like Acumatica because the digital transformation allows us to stay relevant for this century and beyond.
Contact us to discover how Acumatica can transform your business with a modern manufacturing platform built for the future.